Long ago, in a forest, there lived a family of monkeys. The mother monkey always looked after her young ones and taught them how to find food and stay safe in the jungle. One day, while the mother monkey was away, a hunter came to the forest. The hunter saw the baby monkeys playing and decided to capture them and sell them in the market. The baby monkeys tried to run away, but the hunter was faster. As he was about to capture them, the mother monkey arrived and saw what was happening. She knew she had to act fast to save her babies. The mother monkey quickly thought of a plan. She started jumping from one tree to another, making loud screeching noises. The other monkeys in the forest heard her and came to see what was happening. The mother monkey explained the situation to them, and together they decided to help. They formed a chain by holding each other's tails and stretched themselves from one end of the forest to the other. The baby monkeys quickly climbed onto the chain and reached the safety of the other end. The hunter was surprised by the monkeys' intelligence and teamwork and realized that capturing them was a mistake. He left the forest, and the monkeys continued to live happily. The moral of the story is that when we work together, we can overcome any obstacle. The monkeys showed us that with their intelligence and teamwork, they were able to protect themselves and their young ones from harm. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos.